So this is specific to the Node.js based the platform. Okay. I remember this is a very important one. You guys remember this. This is for the CloudOps and the developer, very important. So any programming language, you write the code, you use so many outside library. Outside means somebody wrote the code, you need that library. In the Java, it's called the dependency. In the JavaScript, it's called the package. So in this file, it shows what dependency package has been used. Okay, so look at this. All this has been used. Am I right, Pratik?
Yes.
Script, here the dependency, right?
Yes.
What is this script versus dependency? Can you explain?
Okay, so in the script we can write some specific script to run the project, like
Exactly.
in the local host. So as a developer, I have to run the project in my local PC. So first of all, I have to give a script in the script tag. I mean, you can see that there is the tag start and expose start, so we
So
can run it.
basically, script is after you get your code, you prepare an environment. If you want to run it, that's actually you run from your console. This is actually very specific to the CloudOps team, because after they do everything else, they need to run it. Then the project, the code base will run. Then you will see the UI or the backend, whatever. This kind of things running from the console. So that's all the command. And the bottom part is also the dependency. Dependency means the package. You are using third party's package to develop your application or to develop your website or to develop your desktop app or to develop your backend. Example, if you go to the TS4U's, some of the editor, one of the editor we are using the Quill editor. It's a free. We're not paying. Another editor we use the Tiny editor. That's we pay. Tiny editor we did not share with you guys. Means whatever you guys can do from the TS4U and the Agile LM, we gave you free dependency, which is Quill editor. And the one we are like this is the one we are using, the sliding, our documentation, we use the Tiny editor. Tiny editor is third party's API. It's a paid version. We pay them money. So each time you use the loading, it takes money. So so it's actually dependency. And very important to look at it. Again, this is the specific to the DevOps team. If you try to build something by passing the developer, means you acting like you know all the shit, but you don't know, and your build will not work, your code will fail, and you will be like spending all day. But instead of just simply set up a meeting, ask the question to the developer. Because if you are using the different version, your code not will work, or it will throw error, or it will crash, and you're just kicking your head all day. What the hell is going on? Why my code is crashing? Because you are fathead. You did not communicate with developer. This version is important. You exactly mimic what developer does. If you do something else, it will not work, or it will give you the error. Okay, so that part is very important. And for the Node.js, Package.json store all the dependency and the script file. Simple. This is the interview question. This is actually the actual interview question in the DevOps interview. It was.